This is the second question on this section that is very obviously about units. And so whenever that comes up, I know that there's always a chance I make a careless mistake because I confuse my units. So, the rule for these questions generally is just show your work, stay organized, and you'll be okay. So there is a little bit of a twist here. It's not much, but they say, okay, the Olympic marathon was lengthened from 40 kilometers to 42 kilometers. Of the following, which is closest to the increase in the distance of the Olympic marathon in miles? So we have to start by finding the difference between 42 and 40, which hopefully we can do without a calculator, is just 2 kilometers. And then we're trying to find the miles of that. So this is a ratio. So we want to say, okay, 2 kilometers is X miles. And they give us the conversion that we can use to compare that, right? So 1.6 kilometers is 1 mile. There's no twist here because the units are already matching up, right? I always want to make sure with units questions that the top units are the same on both sides of the equals and then the bottom units are the same. And it is that way. There's no problem here because it just works out from the start the way we want it to. Sometimes it won't and we have to adjust, but if it does, then you can just cross multiply, right? Once those units are the same, we're good. So we can do 2 times 1, which is 2, and then x times 1.6, which is 1.6x, and then we just divide. And again, you might be able to do this without all these extra steps if you're confident, but show your work, be thorough. And I just reach for the calculator here. 2 divided by 1.6 is 1.25. Choice B, that's it. That's the whole question. So yeah, show your work. Don't make a careless mistake because you skipped a step or multiplied the wrong thing. And you should be fine. That's it.